Don't leave attack on me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, as expected, and as a matter of fact, we have to say congratulations to Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers for a masterpiece album. Yes, all tracks on this album superbly mixed and mastered. The lyrical content, viewers and subscribers, well, it no get no higher than this. It no get no higher than this, viewers and subscribers. And the album has been debuted as #1 on all platforms that the album was released on. Gaza Nation, big up on yourself. We got pre-order. I'ma notice all who didn't have the necessary means, they can go pre-order the album. Them do it. Big up on yourself. Now we have to also say this. Big up Vybz Kartel once more again. The artist has also made the tracks available right us up on the platform for poor people, so they can go hear the musical contributions from the dancehall king viewers and subscribers. Some artists now do it. Some artists now do it. They might try to put a dollar value on the music. Some artists, if them can't make no money from the music, them now make you hear no song. Notice some artists hardly even put out music for the fans. And I'm gonna talk about them have a fan base. Like them have a fan face without no nose, viewers and subscribers. The teacher do it. The teacher do it for dancehall music, and the support is there for the movement. We see it, it's evident. The fact that the album debuted at #1. You know what debut mean? It premiered at #1. As it was uploaded, it was the album people were waiting on. People pre-ordered it. So when the sales kick in, viewers and subscribers, it reached a #1 instantaneously. And that's something happen every day. And as a matter of fact, we know this. We hardly see dancehall albums even being released. So we know and something happen every day. As a matter of fact, who put out the last dancehall album, even though it was registered in the rap and R&B category? Talk. So think about it. So just think about it, viewers and subscribers. The teacher, Vybz Kartel, yes, Adidja Palmer, despite what the naysayers might say, we don't see nobody else that do it for dancehall music on that level. Big up all contributors to the genre, foundation, and even the young artists them are followed up. From the production to, you know what I mean, the artistry itself. And we have to say this, these tracks were superbly mixed and mastered. I think I feel like dancehall need to focus on. I feel like we need more engineers to deal with the thing on a certain level. But projections for this album, viewers and subscribers, first and foremost, Grammy 2021, Gaza got it. Grammy 2021, Gaza I got dead live. We know there's already even a track from the album. The album just released today. Would you believe? And there's even a track that is already on its way to be selling gold. As soon as it found we are go as soon as it drop, we are gonna make you know what go on. But there's already a track, viewers and subscribers, where to all the numbers are looking right now. We can look forward to seeing another gold plaque being sent out soon and very soon. Just to all the numbers are going already. I remember what I said, gold we mean certified 500,000 copies sold. Half a million. You understand? When we go platinum, 1 million copies sold. Some artists never sell 100,000, nothing. They might make 100,000. You know what I mean? Me no watch man pocket, me no know about a person financial gains. So they might make that money. But when we talk about album sales. People have purchased the music. It not, man. It not. People might go listen to them song and watch them video because it is entertaining at the moment. So people look to see what the video is about. People listen to hear what in did I say. But as opposed to hearing the song or being able to can hear the song and then saying, I want the highest quality of this track. You can hear it over and over again. You can purchase the album. Being that artist, so people are saying, no, I'm going to support the artist's music. I'm going to support dancehall music. And I'm going to buy the album. At this point in time, a Vybz Kartel and Nipsey Hussle dancehall music. I go, hey. I want to see what I want. Vybz Kartel has done this. Not only has he established a record label for himself, he established one for him common law wife, Shorty, of which him son them can put out the musical works anytime them feel like. You understand? The EP was put out on that label there. Them of them father label too as well. And now them have put out album productions. This is the establishment of a legacy viewers and subscribers. It remind me of Bob them. Remember Bob Dweeb set the foundation. If you them carry on the legacy and the name. And them also have them student them record label, Tough Gang. Of which all the other sons have them own independent record label too. Junior Gang have Get to Youth International. I think Ziggy have a thing. Him still, but Ziggy had them put out music now. Steven, I'm not sure if Steven have P1, but no, Julian have a thing going over Australia. You know what I mean? I think Kimani is a signed artist kind of do a thing in Florida. Yo, legacy. The teacher do it. Support the movement. And at the same time, good music and work ethic will speak for itself. See Bob Marley viewers and subscribers, as much as Bob Marley is celebrated right now, nobody feel like the whole Jamaica that say Bob when Bob run out. There are some people that say I win in music now go nowhere. You know them people, the ones that are still alive. Be a Bob Marley shirt them wear now. Be a Bob Marley shirt. Some of them all Rasta. Yeah, some of them are Rasta and people are telling them favor Bob and them happy. And at them same man that say Bob music now gonna. And now when they are compared, our people are saying you resemble that individual, it makes them happy. And them never that support him. So at the same time, we are pointing out this. You can either get with it or stand aside. But the movement is moving viewers and subscribers. And the momentum we have, we can't be stopped by the thoughts and the words from naysayers. It now gonna slow down the momentum. The velocity right now we are push at. That this current speed right now, you can't catch the levels. Miles per hour where I do. The mountain of sea I do nuts. But waves like a ocean. The mountain of the sea I do nuts. Miles per hour where I do it, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, miles per hour. A different type of settings. You know what I mean? Different type of settings. A standard is being set in a dancehall music. And it will be beneficial to all artists. Yeah, even the naysayer them are going to benefit from this push where Vybz Kartel push dancehall music to the next level. You see when we get back that international recognition, that international notoriety, when more international record labels are paying more attention to Vybz Kartel. We're not going to say Vybz Kartel, the dancehall music overall. Because remember, the teacher already have his own label. The another musical deal where the teacher was signed. We're going to talk about it from early now. You know what I mean? Just a good a hint. Universal is one of these. Well, in a necessarily have to be Universal too. Because Warner Brothers have a good distribution side. But Zojak is the digital distributor for Jamaican music. One of the biggest. You know what I mean? Other than that, we'll talk about international giants in distributing music. Universal and Warner Brothers then really have that level of, you know what I mean, distribution. Where they will market and make sure your songs are where they need to be when they need to be there. Now that is the only other contract that Vybz Kartel's record label will be signing. It's a distribution record label. It's a distribution deal in which he will retain his publishing. So they will get paid a certain percentage. And this is a worldwide dominance type of movement. Meaning that when you have a big international conglomerate that is already known for marketing and distributing worldwide music. Universal Music Group is one of the biggest music groups in our world history. At this point in time, Universal Music Group is bigger than Interscope. Yeah, bigger than Interscope. You know what I mean? They have been established for a longer time. Them have them hands in a whole heap of things. Them do distributions for other record labels too as well. So them actually make money from other record labels. If you don't understand, it's a whole heap of legalities and documents and a whole heap of things like that. But I say it works. That's the only other deal though. Other than that, the teachers are standing the dance and music and subscribers. I hope move settings fam. I wouldn't need no ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love and prosper until the reason again.